Hi guys, it's Dad Thunder and Kid Lightning, and here we are, and we're playing some stickball dodgeball. Who's gonna win this game, you think?
Us.
We're gonna kick some butt, aren't we?
Yeah.
Give me 5, Kid
We
Thunder.
already beat one people, two people, and
three people.
So now we're gonna go against.
'Cause we are the kings of the dodgeball court, aren't we?
Yeah.
High five.
Yeah, and we're also now we're gonna go against 4 people.
Well, what do you think? Do you think that the people at home, you think they'd like to see us play the game?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's flip around to the game. Oh, what? Hold on.
We missed it. Boom! Got him. Get him. Nice. One more. Boom! I got him.
One more.
Boom! Oh! Oh my! Dad, come get me.
Oh.
Coach is throwing it. We gotta hit Coach now.
Pat, you gotta pass the ball. Right, this one.
Okay. Pass.
Pass.
Oh man, I failed that pass. Okay, Dad, stop.
No, I'm trying different buttons.
You got this one to. This one's to get the. Oh!
Watch out.
So,
Coach is coming after us.
one, two. Oh, L2. 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 Oh, we got dodge. Dad, this is dodge.
Oh.
No, it was showing us. Oh, Dad. We already beat these guys.
Well, I beat them again.
Okay, I'm gonna go straight for the tackle. Whoa! I got the ball.
Nice work. Hit those punks.
Oh, Dad. Oh, yeah.
Pass.
Oh, Dad.
Pass.
Whoa! Oh no, I accidentally passed it to the green. Whoa, Dad. Oh, Dad.
Pass.
No, I'm not gonna pass. Oh no. Oh, Dad, I got hit.
We're not doing very good against these guys.
Yeah, because we haven't played in like 10 days. We haven't played in like a week. Oh, Dad. Oh, yeah.
Pass.
Well, one's pass.
Right up here. Pass.
Boom! Take it! Nice! Hit it! Hit him! Yeah! Go dodge! Nice. Dad, pass! Nice! Pass! Okay, hit her! Boom!
High five.
But Dad, we still have to get 3. We have to get 3. Okay, go. Boom! Oh no, I didn't get it. Oh, this is a bad start for us. The first round, it was a good start for us. Oh, Dad, you've been hit. Oh,
Nice.
Yes.
All right.
double hitter.
You did double hit them. Now I got it.
Double hit him! Oh man, only one hitter. Oh no! He has the ball.
Nice.
I blocked it and got it. Dad, got the ball. Boom! Dad, I'm the orange head guy. I'm the orange head guy. Oh, Dad. Oh, this is not a good start for us again. And again. Boy. Boom. Boom. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Dad. Oh, Dad.
Pump me up. Good. Thanks, bud.
Nice. That's the ball. Oh. You hit the boy. Go. Hit the boy. Boom. Hey, Dad. Let me hit one.
Here you go. Hit her. Hit her. And she's done. Oh.
Oh, man. No.
Nice.
Yeah. Boom.
Nice.
Go. Boom. Shot. Oh, Dad. Oh, no. No. I'm just going to keep dodging. Keep dodging.
Nice.
Whoa. Baba. Baba. No. 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 Nice. Oh, Dad. Dad. Thanks. Dad, you almost made me die. Want your old teammate to die? No. Want your own teammate to die? Dad, do not. I'm telling you. Do not get it. Boom! Nice. Boom!
Get her.
Boom! Boom! So far we're winning.
3 games to none.
Dad.
What?
Wait, we won.
I know we won.
Wait. I think we won 2 times. I didn't know we won 2 times.
We won 3 times.
I didn't know we won 2 times.